Planning a trip soon and wondering how to get mobile data abroad without paying insane roaming fees? I tested Saily, an eSIM platform that claims to make international connectivity simple. No physical SIM card required. In this video, I'll share my full experience, the pros, the downsides, and whether it's actually worth it. And if you decide to try it yourself, you can use the link in the description, the pinned comment, or scan the QR code on screen to activate the promo code and save on your first purchase. The code is in the description, but these are the only ways to make the discount work. But before we talk about pricing, let's start with what Saily actually does. Saily is an eSIM service that lets you access mobile data in foreign countries without buying a local SIM card. Everything happens online. You choose your destination, select a data plan, install the eSIM, and once you land, your phone connects automatically to a local partner network. No searching for a SIM card shop at the airport, no swapping tiny plastic cards, no risking expensive roaming charges from your home carrier. It's a solution that's becoming increasingly popular among travelers who want something fast and convenient. So how does it actually work in real life? The installation process is straightforward. First, you create an account either on the Saily website or directly in their mobile app. Then you select your destination and choose the data plan that fits your trip. After completing your purchase, you're guided step by step through the eSIM installation. The instructions are clearly displayed on screen, so even if you've never used an eSIM before, the process is very beginner-friendly. Once you arrive at your destination, you simply activate the line, and in most cases, the connection starts working within seconds. But setup is one thing. The real question is, how reliable is the connection? Connection speed depends on the local carrier Saily partners with in each country. In most situations, the performance is more than enough for everyday travel needs. Browsing the web, using Google Maps, streaming videos, checking social media, even working remotely. It's not designed for heavy file downloads or extreme data usage, but for regular travel use, it does the job well. Now let's take a look at what other users are saying. On Trustpilot, Saily currently holds a 4.7 out of 5 rating, based on more than 19,000 reviews. Most users highlight how easy the installation process is and how convenient it feels to land in a new country with internet ready to go. Of course, there are occasional negative reviews, usually related to coverage in specific countries. But in many cases, that depends more on the local network provider than on Saily itself. Now let's talk about one of the most important factors: pricing. Prices vary depending on the country and the amount of data you choose. That said, Saily is often significantly cheaper than traditional roaming fees from major carriers. One of the biggest advantages is transparency. You know exactly how much you're paying up front. No surprise charges when you return home. And if you use a promo code, the price becomes even more attractive for a first-time test. Quick reminder, if you want to activate the discount, you'll find the promo link in the description, the pinned comment, or you can scan the QR code displayed on screen. But no service is perfect, so here's a balanced look at the pros and cons. Pros: fast and simple setup, no physical SIM card required, easy activation, extremely convenient for travel. Cons: your phone must support eSIM. Performance depends on the local carrier in each country. So it's not a miracle solution, but for most travelers, it's a very practical one. Personally, I'd rate Saily 8.5 out of 10. It's simple, efficient, and makes staying connected abroad much less stressful. For what it offers, it's a solid option. And if you now want a step-by-step tutorial on how to activate the Saily promo code in just a few clicks, check out the video appearing on your screen right now.